name's Don Alexander. This is my wife Jane. We own Alexander Manufacturing, who makes the Woodhaven line of firewood storage racks. So today we're going to show you how to assemble a 5-foot Woodhaven Firewood Rack. The assembly for this is just the same as the 4-foot and the 6-foot. It's just a matter of different lengths, but the assembly is exactly the same. So this will cover the 4-foot, 5-foot, and 6-foot Woodhaven Firewood Rack.
It's important not to cut through the middle of the box. Open the ends, that way you don't scratch the steel or cut through the cover.
Is the cover. Our covers are reinforced vinyl. They are very strong. And they cover the top part of the wood so that it keeps the rain off the wood, but lets air get to the rest of the wood in your firewood stack. So we have these little elastic straps on the corners to kind of help the wind from blowing it off. And it'll look better once it hangs a little bit wrinkly right out of the package, but there's Velcro on the front, the reinforcement on the back of the vinyl, so it's a very heavy material. All of our steel tubing is domestic, made in the US. The rack's made here in Parsons, Kansas in the US. We powder coat them here, package them right outside, shipped to just about anywhere. So on behalf of us, our employees, and all of our suppliers, thank you for your consideration for buying a Woodhaven if you have one already. Thanks for purchasing it and enjoy it for many years. Thank you.